Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the update can run without interruption. Sign in with your Microsoft account and use an administrator profile. Once done, verify your Windows 11 build in settings system so you know compatibility. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and clear about 1 GB of space to allow temporary files. These steps prevent mid-update failures and give the store permission to apply core component updates. Now trigger the update. Open Microsoft Store, go to Library, and tap Get Updates to download available store and app updates. If the store doesn't respond, run the built-in Microsoft Store Troubleshooter in Settings Troubleshoot or open an elevated PowerShell and re-register the store package to refresh app registration. Alternatively, run WS Reset. EXE to clear the cache. Then restart the store app so changes take effect and you can observe download progress and any error codes. Finish by verifying the store updated. Go to Settings Apps Installed Apps and check the Microsoft Store version number. If you still see issues, make sure Windows Update has installed pending updates because store components depend on OS patches. If problems persist, run System File Checker with sfc/scano to repair corrupted files, or create a new Windows user profile to isolate account-specific problems. These steps resolve lingering permission or system integrity issues and restore store functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.